Using cylindrical coordinates. First, we're going to draw a 12-foot diameter cylinder to represent this tank. Since it's in feet, we have to switch our units. Our very first command we learn in AutoCAD. And we're going to go from decimal to architectural. We'll say OK. We're going to draw our cylinder. We'll use the coordinate 0, 0, 0, hit enter. And we're going to go out with a 6-foot radius. So put 6-foot mark in. And we're going to zoom out, and we're going to go up in height, say 10 feet. We'll hit enter. Now, there's our tank. Next, we want to define a point where the pipe comes in at. And we want that to be on the outside of this edge, 2'6" up from the edge, and 30 degrees off the X axis on the XY plane. To do this, we're going to have to turn off dynamic input. So we're going to type in dyn mode, and that's dyn mond. We'll set that to 0. And now we're going to go and just draw a line. And we're saying from where do we want it to go from? Well, we'll go from, let's say, and we're going to go with the @ symbol first. And we're going to say we want 6 foot. And then we want to go with the less than symbol. And then we're going to go with 30 for the angle. And we're going to do a comma. And then we're going to say 2'6" inches. And I'll put the inch mark, we don't have to. And I'll say enter. And notice now my pipe is right on the edge of that cylindrical coordinate at the dimensions specified. And we could use other commands to extrude that line out, etc. later on. So we use cylindrical coordinates. The key thing here is we go to our architectural units and we turn off our dynamic input, which is dyn mode, dynamic mode, and we set that to 0.